Muslims in the west of China are facing one of the worst examples of oppression and ethnic cleansing in the world today.
The Chinese government has interned up to 1 million people in re-education camps.
Inmates are detained indefinitely without charge and forced to denounce Islam, their religion, and praise the Communist Party.
Chinese authorities weren't just targeting adults. Her children were apparently taken to this orphanage. She hasn't heard from them since.
East Turkestan, the home of the Muslim minority known as the Uyghurs, has seen the mass internment of 2 million civilians who face physical and mental torture until they renounce their faith. The Chinese government calls this re-education. Although East Turkestan is under Chinese control, Uyghurs tend to have a closer ethnic and cultural connection to other Turkic peoples in Central Asia. This means that alongside religion, the re-education camps are aimed at wiping out the Uyghur language, dress, and cultural practices entirely. To achieve all this, the Chinese government has created the world's most extensive surveillance state. Facial recognition cameras, body scanners, mandatory apps, GPS tracking, and surveillance drones cover every inch of the region. And Chinese tech companies like Huawei use these government contracts to develop even more intrusive systems. Just take a look at the propaganda video the government itself released about the camps. That's 5 cameras in a single classroom. But beyond simply trying to force the Uyghurs to become part of the Han Chinese majority, there's actually something even bigger at play. East Turkestan is at the heart of China's biggest global project to date, the Belt and Road Initiative. This multi-billion-dollar project literally spans the entire globe and allows China to become an economic superpower in competition with the US. But to achieve this, the Chinese government is trying to dominate the entire region of East Turkestan and completely wipe out its people.